Three-dimensional model of protein assembly, stage 1. Amino acid activation for children by Sandra Milena Castillo Rojas. Amino acid activation happens in the cytoplasm. It is the attachment of an amino acid to its corresponding transfer RNA, tRNA. This is the first stage of the protein assembly process. The transfer RNA carries the amino acids to the ribosome for the protein assembly. Transfer RNA is a small RNA molecule that makes possible the amino acid activation. It carries the amino acids to the ribosome for the protein assembly. The parts of this molecule are: first, an amino acid attachment stream. It has a cytosine-cytosine-adenine sequence. Then, it has a loop for recognition of the tRNA activating enzyme. It contains dehydroadenine, so it is called the loop. It has also a loop that contains thymine. Its name is the loop. Then we can find a loop for ribosome recognition. And at the end, it has an MARN attachment loop. The reaction of amino acid activation has two parts. Firstly, the amino acid synthetase enzyme joins the amino acid to adenosine triphosphate, forming the amino acid adenosine monophosphate complex. Pyrophosphate is released. Secondly, the amino acid joins tRNA and the AMP is released. The phosphorylation with ATP brings energy for storing in the amino acid tRNA molecule. This energy is used in the translation stage of protein assembly. Process. Step 1. Amino acid and ATP enter the active site of the enzyme. Step 2. AMP is joined to the amino acid accompanied by release and breakdown of pyrophosphate. Step 3. AMP is displaced by tRNA, creating an amino acid tRNA. Step 4. Amino acid tRNA is released from the enzyme. Three-dimensional model of protein assembly, stage 1, amino acid activation. Materials: food coloring and paintings, corn flour, water, recycled paper. Procedure: the corn flour was dipped until producing a dough suitable for arepa. Arepas were made and painted in the forms of the stages of the amino acid activation process. The resulting model can be used to carry out activities for the development of scientific skills in basic education. Thank you.